Hey guys, and welcome to another video of Yanda tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to do a basic copy trade. So we're going to copy one of our traders that already have a strategy running. And to do that, we're going to go on to Poloniex, we're going to trade on today. And then we are going to copy trade here. And here's where you can see all the trades that they're already live. You can see what they're trading, the performance so far, if it's running, the date that it was set. And we'll just go down and see what is there. Okay, 30th of March, 30th of 20th of March. So we'll copy this one. It's done on the 28th of March. It's done 1% already. So we'll check that out. And we will copy. So it's a 50% stop loss, sell 1% of profits, buy from 0.6% of profits. We're going to end with our profits in BTC and lock in profits. So when it hits 1%, the strategy should automatically close unless it's still buying and selling. Then in that case, you'll end up with, fingers crossed, more profits than you'd originally expected. So base assets, we're going to go in LTC. We're going to say 0.0794, and we're just going to start that strategy. So you can see here we've got an overview of what's going to go on. You can share the strategy or not share the strategy. I'm not going to share the strategy, but you can start the strategy now and it will go through and start automatically. So congratulations, you have started a new strategy, and we'll wait to see how this strategy goes. So close, and I will show you exactly where it is in the dashboard. So you can see here, 31st of March, that's today, on Poloniex, BTC, LTC, and we can expand that to see more of the details, and they're all here. Okay, so you can see some of my other trades that I've been running recently as well. Yesterday, we've already done 0.43%, 0.75% on that one from the 25th, and then these two were quite impressive. We had 22 trades on the 24th, one doing 2.7%, and the other one so far, which is still running, it's done a 0.62% on LTC and a 4.61% on BTC, which I'm very impressed with so far. So that's adding nicely and building my portfolio. So if you're not already involved with Yanda, get signing up and watch these tutorials and learn how to trade like the pros. See you on next.